saw him standing at the foot of my bed last night. This mountain's getting higher with every step. I'm trying not to lose everything I've kept, captured by the fortune teller.